Hello everyone, welcome back to another watching. I've got one more box opening for the night. You can see that it is an AV-8, which if you guys are following along, you just saw me open up this AV-8 Lancaster bomber I'm still wearing. I'm digging this one so far. Pretty comfortable, but it'll be nice to see how it wears after, my usual week or two, and then I'll do a follow-up on this one. But let's see what else we got from AV-8 here. This one. So these both came in the same package, or else I normally would have done an actual box opening, but I got down to the bubble wrap and stopped. And let's open this bad boy up. Of course, it's in AV-8's box. Like it? All right. So this one, show you the model number real quick, is the AV-4068-02. And let's see if I can easily get the plastic off. Whew. All right. So we've got pretty cool blue dial with a lot of different textures going on there. A lot going on. Once again, look at that case back. I think AV-8's case backs are some of the coolest. I'm guessing we got logoed crown or logoed buckle. That one on the crown, they have just a little bit of a design versus this one had some color thrown in there. So this is the HAWKER Hurricane BULMAN edition, and it's a chrono. This one isn't even out yet either. I'm going to put the link below so you can get on the mailing list if you like the look. I really like the way that satin case looks on this one. Very cool. I'll pull off the Lancaster bomber here and throw on this HAWKER. So like I said, this one isn't even out yet. You can sign up for the mailing list. I believe this one is about $220. The reason why I say I believe is I just took a quick glance at the site, and the price on it's in pounds. I think right now it's in there at 165 pounds, which I believe puts us at about 220 bucks. I really like their straps. I like the satin finish on that case. Like the textured dial. And the subdials really have an instrument cluster design, or a gauge design. Really cool looking. If you guys like this one too, like I said, I'll put the link below. You can sign up to be on the mailing list or order yourself one up. What do you guys think of this one? Let me know in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching.